What's up, guys? So I have a 2007 Audi A4 2.0 turbo. Has about 127,000 miles on it. The car was running decent up until I went to go replace the high pressure fuel pump. I put a brand new high pressure fuel pump in it with the cam follower. When I took this apart, the cam follower was pretty much completely eaten through. So I decided, whatever, car's running fine. It should run the same once the new high pressure fuel pump was installed. The only reason why I replaced it was because I had the code for the high pressure fuel pump, but I also had two other codes. Um, I think the two other codes off the top of my head were something with the um, idle rough, and then the sensor for the fuel pressure, I believe. I'm gonna put it in the description, the three codes that were on there. One was for the high pressure fuel pump and the other two I just said. So I did the job yesterday, finished it, check engine light was still on, it didn't clear by itself. Drove it around the block like twice. It was running decent, like I said. Went ahead, cleared the check engine light. When I cleared it, I heard the idle drop. Yeah, like it had like a little hiccup in it, you can say. I didn't think anything of it. I was just like, whatever. It's probably because the check engine light was on and it wasn't running right with the old high pressure fuel pump. So took it around the block again. This time with the check engine light off. And when I turned the check engine light off and I cleared it, it had like pretty much no power when I got halfway through going around the block. And I pretty much had to limp it back home. I couldn't give it gas. It didn't want to move and it was stuttering real bad. When I checked the codes again because I threw the check engine light, the code was for high pressure fuel pump, and then something with the idle, and then that sensor again. Actually, yeah, that's what it was for. Originally, actually, I didn't check the check engine light since it was in my car. It's my uncle's car. He told me that the high pressure fuel pump needs to just get replaced. So I just did the job for him since he doesn't have the time to do it. But those are the three codes I'm with, and the cam was grooved up anyways, so technically to do this job the right way, you'd have to replace the cam follower, high pressure fuel pump, and then see what it does. But I noticed today too when I went to go take the oil cap off when I was running, I really had to pull on it to get it to come out. This is the cam follower in the picture right there. I had to really pull on the oil cap to get it to come out. So I'm guessing too the PVC is bad on there. But my thing is the cam is grooved, and I'm not sure if I replace, like, for instance, the PVC and stuff like that, if it's gonna make a difference, or like the sensor for the fuel pressure on the rail. Kind of posting this video just to see if anybody else had this problem with this car or not. The head was replaced originally on this car too, since the timing chains went. But again, there is damage done to this already. The cam is grooved up. And I like, it's not like super bad, but you can see it and like feel it too. I didn't really think it was gonna run right regardless, but I'm just posting this out there to just see what you guys think on this too. I pretty much just put this video in the background so you can see what I'm talking about. If you guys don't know, but the three codes are gonna be in the description down below that were on here originally on the car. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.